Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to answer a question a lot of you have been asking: how to get only girls on OmeTV in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the exclusive offers I've linked in this video. You don't want to miss them. So let's get started. As you probably know, OmeTV is a random video chat platform, which means you can meet people from all over the world. But here's the catch: there's no official feature that lets you filter by gender. When you visit their website, you do get the option to specify if you're male or female, and you can even choose your country. But that only helps the platform understand who's on the other side, not who you get matched with. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about using extensions, IP locators, or other tricks to target a specific gender. Unfortunately, OmeTV blocks those. Using third-party tools to filter users goes against their terms of service, and the platform disables them automatically. So at the moment, there's no foolproof way to only chat with girls. That said, OmeTV is constantly updating. There's always a chance they'll add more filtering options in the future, but for now, it's all about randomness and enjoying the surprise of meeting new people. The best tip I can give is to stay safe, be respectful, and have fun with the conversations you get, because that's what makes the platform exciting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.